Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Iduma, and in today's video I'll be doing sisi yemmie's challenge of trying to cook a meal with 1005. But then the problem with this challenge is that I think everything you're supposed to cook is supposed to be with the 1005, and I wanted to make kidney stew with rice, like rice and stew. But then the thing is, we already have rice that we left ate yesterday that is leftover for today, and it doesn't make any sense buying fresh rice because I have 2 bags of rice, so it's just adding to my problems. And then I can't actually even it doesn't even sound realistic to even buy pepper because here in the fridge a ton of pepper, this whole ziploc is just pepper, so I don't even know if I should just buy all the things that I need just for the sake of the challenge or not. But definitely I'm not buying any rice because I have 2 bags of rice and then I have leftover rice, so I'm not going to just be wasting just because of the challenge. But I want to see if I can actually make kidney stew with 1000. I'll just make it 1300. Let's just say I used 200 naira to buy rice, so 1300 to get myself some kidney. I'll see if I'll get heart because I know kidney is maybe 600, 750. I don't know. The last time I bought kidney was last year, and it was 500. But COVID, life, it should be 750 or something like that. But I don't know. I don't even know if I can buy hearts too. Well, let's just see. Oh, where's my 15? Let me show you my 15. As per evidence, I'm carrying this yellow bag just to put my camera in, but I know yellow and green doesn't go, so if you're judging me, I already knew. So I have 1005 right here. I have my money, so let me just go buy and come back and make it before my dad actually goes to work. It's quite early in the morning, so yeah. Oh no, it's even raining. What a bad day. Bad day to go to the market. And I'm on these slippers. I'm on market slippers. for 800. So also too, I got this is curry, so I'm using this, and this is for 50 naira. Both of them actually, so it's 25 naira. And I got oil for 50 naira, like a small oil, but then it's going to do. So the only thing I did forget to get was like seasoning cube. I have seasoning cube in the house, so just permit me to use it. I'm only going to use like one. So if you check it, it's like maybe 30 naira in the market. So please pardon me. Okay, maybe used to. I used to. So like maybe 30 naira in the market, but overall we're still within budget. I wanted to just read for you like the benefits of liver, because liver is a really underused protein. People use liver like in fried rice and all that, but then liver is good. People don't really enjoy liver, but liver is very good, and it's a very rich source of protein. And from here it says that liver is very high in vitamin A, folic acid, iron, especially for people that really suffer from like low iron, zinc. And just in case you're having issues with your eyes, it's actually very beneficial for your eye health. It also reduces diseases that causes inflammation, e.g. arthritis. Next one, kidney too is actually very beneficial. It's very high in protein and also to anti-inflammatory, so it's really good for you. Just in case like you have high cholesterol and you really want to like take out all the meat and maybe the goat meat, and you're not really a big fan of fish, and maybe you're not also a big fan of chicken, because I know a friend of mine that doesn't like chicken. You can actually go for like the organs of like the meats. So let me just get down to my stew, chop all these things up, grind all these things up, and see you when
samurai sword on my back. You don't know how to act. Maybe you should relax. Maybe you should relapse. Just kidding.
Forget to say is that this stew is like a warm pot stew, so everything just goes into it, and when it simmers down, it's actually ready. So right now I'll be putting like the tomatoes and onions diced into it. The pepper is going now. I'm also going to put in like the curry. Curry is going in now. Yeah, this is going to cut. Please do not disgrace me in front of national TV. Cut now. Cut now. Jesus Christ, cut now. Abba. You're disgracing me. Let's add curry. Okay, add a little bit more water. I'm going to add some seasoning cube. I'm actually going to add the last of the curry powder, because this stew is almost like a curry stew, but with like kidney, supposedly kidney and liver. Right. Let me try. Why can't I use the scissors? Papa, I'm not going to do myself. I'm going to add a little bit of the oil. Scissors again. Oh god. Oh wow. Oh wow. Hey. Hey. This grease. No, this knife cannot be sharp. You know what? Let's not even use that time. Let's see knife. Yes, keep going. That's what I should have used since. And we add the oil. So now we stir. So I'm struggling right now to like make the stew thicker, because it's supposed to be like a thick stew. It's not supposed to be like plenty because it's thick. So because it's like very thick, like it goes a little goes a long way. So according to my mother, I've watched my mother make this stew like so many times, but apparently I'm not actually supposed to put like water into it, just in case you want to like make this stew, because it's a really nice stew, like my favorite stew to eat in the whole wide world. You're not supposed to put in water. You're supposed to allow the meat to actually bring out its own water. You know how chicken or goat meat brings out its own water, liver and kidney and all those like organs too, they also do the same thing. So you're supposed to allow it bring out its own water and like cook it with them. You're not supposed to actually parboil. You're not supposed to actually parboil like the meat and then start making the stew. That's why I told you, it's like a warm pan, like one pot stew. You get like just in one pot, the stew is ready. Once the meat is ready, it's ready. So how you let it be thick is by actually letting like the meat, like the liver, the kidney, to actually bring out its own water. Then when it has brought out its own water, you can then be topping in like water as you go. So that is what the boss lady has taught me. So we live and we learn. But then the stew is ready. She looks pretty. There's a lot of like kidney and all that inside it, so I'm happy with it. Please forgive me, but I love a beautiful plate, and I just added some garnish like bell peppers into it just to make the color pop. But it's beautiful. Let's show you like under the light.
Are you hearing me now?
See how beautiful it looks. It looks red, but it's really not red. It has that curry kind of color. And then this is what it looks like, and it tastes good. So other than like working under the rain, I really enjoyed this challenge and wouldn't mind doing it anytime soon, or probably maybe doing like a proper going to the market kind of video, because I know that my viewers enjoy those kind of videos, and I do enjoy making those videos. It's kind of stressful, like holding your camera, holding your goods, like it's heavy. But other than that, I really enjoyed doing this video. So please don't forget to like. If you could, please give me like 50 thumbs up. I wouldn't mind, and it will really help my channel go a long way. And please, if you're very new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. I make videos on health, fitness and all-round wellness. And if you're very new, don't forget to check out all of my videos. Share if you loved the video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.